something that came up recently, someone actually contacted me through the form on my site about this, is can you sell a digital and physical product in the same store? Now, intuitively, you'd think, yes, of course. But for this person, and I assume some other people, they thought, okay, you can be very binary with your stores on Squarespace. You have to have one store for digital, one store for physical. But you can sell any type of product all in one store on your Squarespace website. So you don't need to create one store for this, one store for that, one store for the other. You can have it all in one place. And I'm going to show you with a few different examples now. If I go into Pages and then I go into a store, you'll see that we've got some physical products set up here. So we just click in, you'll see it's a physical product. You can add it to cart, and obviously then that would get shipped. If I click plus, what do you want to sell? Okay, so you'll notice it's not just one, the others aren't grayed out. We can literally sell anything. So click physical, and I'm just going to say physical example. We'll give this a price. So let's say £20. Hit save. We'll get that published. Okay, so we've got a physical product. You can click in, you can add it to cart, and you can purchase. Now let's try something else. So a download, this could be PDF, could be artwork or digital artwork. We'll say digital. If I could type digital product example. And then if we go down, we'll set the price here. So we'll make this one £30. Hit save, publish. Oops, need to upload the file. So we'll upload a nice PDF. Nice presentation from yours truly. Worth so much more than £30. But anyway, hit save. So we've got a physical and a digital product in the same store. And not only that, I should have put some images in. But anyway, the example's there. But not only that, we can set up events, consulting packages, gift cards, custom merch services. Anything you want can all be sold and consolidated in a single store. And if I then, I'll show you this, add this to cart. I can add this to cart. You can check out, so if I click cart, you can check out both of these at the same time. So this may only help one person ever. I don't know if it was just that person who had this issue, but hopefully it's helped you. If you're on this video, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.